Hi friends, if you want to create a professional website and still undecided about the theme that you should use for your website, this video is really going to help you. You can choose a multi-purpose WordPress theme for a business website, and because multi-purpose WordPress theme brings some additional features that can give you access on those features that you may be required in future for that website, but yet you have yet not decided what exactly you want to have at your website. Exactly. So multi-purpose theme has many benefits as it can be used directly to any websites, and in this video we are going to quickly overview a wonderful WordPress theme called Composer. And Composer is a responsive multi-purpose high performance WordPress theme. So of course you need a high performance website for your business, and this Composer WordPress theme has been developed by the NV Themes and they are elite author. The theme came into existence in 2016 and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So this is multi-purpose WordPress theme, as I said, and it comes with many pre-made website in different categories. So you can see business, multiple options for business website, freelancer, agency, shop options, portfolio, photography, app and landing, restaurant and cafe, constructions, and other niches are also here. So you can choose any of these pre-made website for your upcoming project, and yes, really you can create a wonderful website. Okay, so this is great, and we are going to illustrate the complete features and functionality of Composer WordPress theme in this video very quickly so that you may decide about this theme. So these are some websites that have been used using the Composer WordPress theme. These are demo websites in fact, and we can target a website like this in this video, and we will completely overview the features, functionality, theme options, and basic customization option. Let us proceed fast towards installation. So I have this fresh installation of WordPress with me, and I am assuming you have already taken a domain hosting for your upcoming project. If not, you may please follow the link given in the description of WP Themes website. Follow the links and get a suitable hosting plan along with the domain, and you can also avail the themes there. Okay, so let us proceed towards installation. This is fresh installation with me, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack there are many items. Demo sliders are here, demo XML formats are here, documentation, fonts, licensing, all plugins, almost all plugins has been provided in the theme pack itself, the main theme file and the child theme file, contact forms, subscribe forms, and change log. Okay, so this is a great theme pack in fact. Okay, so to install the theme we have to use this composer.zip. To upload the theme we have to be in the theme section of WordPress. By default 2022 WordPress theme is here. We are going to add new theme, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose composer.zip. The theme file size is little bit high, 43.6 MB as I can see. So I am going to upload this theme directly at server. You can also do the same either through the FTP or file manager at cPanel. So I am uploading the theme directly to WP content themes folder, and it will serve the purpose. And yes, it is 41.57 MB, so it is of course bringing multiple things at our website. It is a multi-purpose theme, so it is bit comparatively high in size, but yes, it will definitely work fast at our website. We will definitely check the speed as well. All features has to be checked so that we may take a wonderful decision about this thing. Okay, once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. The extraction outcome is here in form of composer folder, in which we have everything as theme composer in terms of folders and files. And yes, we can go back and delete the zip file. Coming back to the themes screen, we have this composer as another theme option. 72 demo websites are here. Okay, really great. So let us see, this is Composer version 3.5.3 with me by NV Themes, and of course you might be getting an updated version when you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description. It depends on availability. And yes, but the process of installation and features will remain almost same. Let us activate it. Okay, so upon activation we got this alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us first install this plugin. So 11 plugins are here, and WP okay, so WooCommerce is here. Of course, this theme supports the WooCommerce, Revolution slider, Composer, core plugins, and all important plugins are here. So only 4 has been marked as required, but we are going to install all these plugins. Okay, so I'm installing all 11 plugins in one go. Okay, just I need to select all 11 plugins in one go, and if you are confident about your server capacity, you can also do the same, else you have to take the hosting from the WP themes. Okay, so all installation has been done successfully within seconds. Coming back to the same screen, and we need to activate all the installed plugins, and this can also be done in a single click. Okay, wonderful. So we have installed, activated all the themes successfully without any trouble, and we can take a look of our website, how it looks. So this is the basic look of website that is using Composer theme as of now. So for making a website like any of these, we have to import the demo content. Proceeding further, I am going to find where the demo content importer is here, and under appearance I can see import demos option is here. Okay, so import all pages option is here, and space project not imported. Okay. So what we can do here, we can select any of our desired website, and we can, so we have two options, either upload all pages, import all pages, and we can also select any specific. So what I'll do, I'll select the specific one, and this looks very good to me. I'm just randomly selecting this suitcase one and clicking on import, and you can select any of these websites depending upon your choice and requirements. And I got this wonderful message. It is saying all done, have fun, in just around 3 minutes for me, and you can also have the same time, I believe. And meanwhile I can check how our website looks, if it is really working, and it is loading up. I believe it is going to bring some wonderful look website, but yes, it is still loading. It is loaded, but yes, I can see I have not got the complete website. Let us see what is the status of pages here. First of all, so I have 10 pages, and sample page, suitcase home is here. So if it is working, it should be completely here. Okay, so slider is not here, but yes, slider can be imported separately, and rest of things are here. So yes, so I believe it is working fine, and it is bringing the desired content, and it is good that it is bringing only those pages that is specifically made for the particular selection, I mean the pre-made website that we have selected. And 10 pages, suitcase home and suitcase home 2 is here. So we can proceed for importing the demo content. Okay, so demo slider, let me find the demo slider. If it is here, demo slider is here. Okay, so these are suitcases here. So what I'll do, I'll import the suitcase slider first of all to check if it is working fine, and we will fix the home page as well. And under the, okay, so we have to go on the slider revolution, and okay, so we can import slider manually here. System requirements are all fine, and manual import can be used. Click to choose, and here we have to use suitcase. Okay, suitcase.zip is here. Just open it. It will be imported in few seconds only. Okay, so it is one, and it has been imported. So let us refresh this if it is working. And yes, slider is here, and yes, website is complete now. It is very good. And we can check the another home page as well. So two home pages here. Okay, suitcase home, so we can choose the first one. Okay, so this is also good. So website is complete, and we can further go for editing the content and creating menus and rest of things. So in demo import options, as we seen, we can also just home pages has been imported as we selected to do so. But yes, we have option to import all the contents, just in case if you need the complete website, you need to follow this option, that is import all pages. Since I have chosen to import only the particular home, so this is this has been imported. So it is very clear and to the point importing tool, and it is all available here. So I believe you can create a wonderful website using this Composer WordPress theme, and further you can edit the content. So there are many options here. I'll show you the options what we got in this installation, so that you may take decision about the theme finally. So I can see there is nothing like additional tabs, so basic things are yellow pencil is here. But yes, under appearance I can see the theme options, and I'll show you the theme options. First of all, this is being the theme panel, so in which is here, and this is the complete control panel, and this is going to give us all the control at our website, of course. So this is general option. As you can see, there are many options, and I am just giving you a glimpse. This is header, multiple settings for header, top header options, so we can select header options as well. Header header, title bar, blog related pages, archive, search, single page, error page, shop, footer options, styling options. So styling option is also very broad, and typography and backup options. So these are the options through which we can control our website. And don't forget to set the home page. First of all, we can set the home page under customize option, home page selection, and can be used. This option is available under customize tab. Home page settings, it's a static page that you selected, and home 1 or 2, whatever you want. So just publish it, and home page is set, and now we are fine for editing the content. And as I said, you can import the rest of pages as well, and you can create pages at your own as well. So website is complete in every respect, as you can see, and we have to create menus, internal page, and rest of things. So shop option is also available, just in case if you want to use. Okay, so this is complete, and you can edit the content as well. So editing the content is always simple. I'll show you. Edit page option is here, and this will load the editor. And so this is WP Bakery page editor, and yellow pencil is also here. Then you can simply edit the area content wherever you want to edit, just clicking by the pen, just click the pencil icon, and you can also add or remove section wherever you want. So it is so simple to edit, just working like on a Word file. Okay, so I believe this theme is helpful and useful for you, and you can create a business website using the Composer WordPress theme. And if you have any question, feel free to contact us for any support, installation support, and everything. So what we can do, we can go for creating website using this Composer WordPress theme, and get in touch with us for further customization options. We will definitely try to help you out, and let us meet in our another video in which I am going to create a wonderful WordPress resource I'm going to show you one wonderful resource that you can use at your website. Let us meet in next video. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.